So special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this 20-watt LED driving light. There's 2 lights inside of this. That would be perfect for driving on like your Jeep, your truck, etc. See here, 2100 lumens, 6000K pure white ray, fits 12 volt and 24 volt vehicles. So let's open this up and show you what comes in here. You get your foam on top, little company advertisement there. Nice. And then look at that, wire connectors, fuses. Love that it comes with that, or wire clamps. Then this is the mounting bracket for one light, all the screws and stuff you'd need to mount it. Mounting bracket for the other light, and light numero uno, and the second light. And that's it for the box. So see, these are some nice bright lights that would mount with these and just wire in to your car's current lighting system, where you can power these on when you're driving. These would be pretty darn bright. You just have a normal red and black wire there. Really, that's it. So thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send me this 2-pack of 20-watt LED driving lights. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.